I was looking around on the Vex forums for like robot ideas and just like code ideas and stuff, and I found this. I don't know if this is how you pronounce it, but PATH.JERRYIO, which is like a path planning tool for like autonomous and skills and stuff. So I was looking into it, and it seemed pretty cool. So I want to make a video about it. It's on PC, Mac, iPad, phone, Android. So it's on like everything that you can essentially get internet on. Here it is. So what it is that it's a path planning tool that lets you essentially path out like a autonomous or skills or just like anything that you would want to path out or plan during a match or anything. So the way that it works is that so I'm on computer right now, so it's different than like on phone or maybe like Mac or something. But when you right click, it'll create a straight line. Um, if you left click, it creates a curved line, and then there's this little dot that you can turn to affect the angle of it, like move it around and stuff. So let's say that this was for autonomous, and you were on the blue alliance, and you wanted to code it. You would like have your starting point be right there, and then let's say you went to the mobile goal, and then you got that ring there, and then you got that one, and then that one, or yeah, and then that one. Then you could look at it and then figure out what you wanted to do and be able to like create a plan before you actually got to a field or started coding it and make it just like way easier. There is also this, which is copy code, which when you copy it, and I'm still using the Pruvy 5, if you go into it and try to paste it in autonomous, it is chassis. Like chassis has the thing, and I don't know if this was made for this because I know that this was like sort of discontinued. Or like this isn't like the thing that they want you to, or like you can still use it, it's just there's another way to do it that you have to like download a different software. And I'm pretty sure with that software you can do the chassis stuff. There's also some way to set it up on your brain so that it has like a mini field inside of it where you can do this stuff. I'm also not sure how you do that. But let's I don't yeah, and then there's also skills, which is the skills field. So this is the skills field, which in this little drop down menu you can do that. It also has over under still, so if you really wanted to, you could like mess around with that. It does have IQ, but not what's it called? This year's game. I forget the name. It does have VexU too, so make sure that you're on this one if you're in middle school or high school, but you can do VexU if you really want to. So for skills, you score for red. So let's say you wanted to like start here. You'll grab that mobile goal. You score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings. You'll move like all the way down to there. Then you could do that to make like a little loop thing. I don't know why it's not making it right, but still. You could get it to there. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drive over to the positive corner, put it in, and it's just like that sort of like planning thing, and it is like pretty cool to look at because it's just like lines. I don't. This should be a solid line. I don't know. I think I changed one of the things. You can. Oh, also in robot visual, if you do visible, you can actually have a like a sort of robot thingy going, and then like look at how it's gonna move. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not a solid line, but it should be. Like in this, you can see where it's like yellow. It's not. I don't know why though. Yeah, it's just like pretty cool because you can do stuff. I personally would probably use this for Auton and driver skills. Probably not in matches because in matches it's just what teams are gonna do is so unpredictable. Which like yeah, you could like um, let's say like this is for a match. I don't know why the robot's still there. Like this is for a match, and like you were on the blue team, and like you try to get this like this mobile goal, but then another team already grabbed it. Then it'll kind of ruin your plan, and you'd have to like make it up on the spot. So like you can use it. I'm not saying you can't, but like me personally, I probably wouldn't. Yeah, again, you can't paste it into it. I know on the actual forum itself, the final thing I was looking at is can this generate path code for Vex Pro V5, which is the stuff which is what I use. If not, is there any that do? I don't know. There's also this saying that it might maybe be illegal because you're essentially like generating code for your thing. I'm not sure. Like, I'm probably not going to use it for code. I'm just going to use it for planning, which is probably what you should do, unless if you find this forum and they eventually do say, hey, you can or cannot use this, then sort of decide it off of that. People are also saying, I think they might have fixed this, but they're saying that like this isn't like a 0, 0 coordinate. Like this is like that, which they sort of wanted the starting coordinate to be 0, 0 because it would make more sense. I haven't had any issues with it whatsoever. I'm pretty sure there is also a maybe download for it, like somewhere on here. You might have. I think you can download it. I don't really see why you will, because one of the things is that this does work in your browser. So here, as a progressive web app, PATH.JERRYIO works on any device with a web browser, even offline, because it essentially uses your like computer as I think it's called a cache or something, like CACHE. So you can use it offline as long as you have it open before you go offline. Yeah, you can just like use this for essentially anything that you want, but it's just me personally, I would use this. Yeah, that's really it. I just want to show this off. There might be another video coming soon. I don't want to like say information that's not correct, but there might be one coming soon.